Whether you're moving across the country, getting married, or heading off to college, change is exciting. But with these changes comes the hassle of switching accounts, mailing forms, and phone calls you just don't have the time to make. ClickSWITCH makes this transition speedy and painless, moving all of your banking transactions from your old financial institution to your new financial institution with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Log into ClickSWITCH to begin your switch. Safely and securely fill in some basic information and ClickSWITCH does the rest, automatically transferring all of your recurring transactions from your old financial institution to your new financial institution. When you're ready, ClickSWITCH will even initiate the closure of your old account, notifying you when your account is closed. Take the hassle out of life's big changes. With ClickSWITCH, all it takes is 10 minutes. Just a few clicks, and you can switch.